Welcome to Impact Learning Tutorials, and this is a video about the physiological benefits of exercise. So in this video we're going to understand the physiological benefits of exercise to specific groups. So one of the first benefits is flexibility, and with regular exercise this increases the range of movement that a joint can perform. And joint flexibility is determined by the elasticity of the tendons and ligaments around that joint. By improving flexibility, this will help people to reach further for things and also helps to prevent injuries such as muscle strains. Some exercises that could improve flexibility could be yoga or Pilates. So the first specific group we're going to look at is pregnant women. So during pregnancy, doing some light exercises whilst pregnant can improve circulation, which will reduce the swelling around the area. The exercise can also help to improve the woman's posture, and also it will help to control the weight gain during pregnancy, because during pregnancy it's quite common that women put on weight. So by doing some regular exercise will help them to control this. And exercise can also have a positive effect on a woman's sleep, which will result in her having better energy levels during that pregnancy period, which can be extremely tiring. So another specific group is disabled people, and exercise helps to improve their strength and balance, which are often weaker due to their disabilities. And also exercise can be tailored and modified to help with these various disabilities. So an example of this would be people who play wheelchair basketball. They're still being able to access a mainstream sport, except the sport's been modified so they can still keep themselves fit by doing this. Exercise also helps disabled people feel more alert and have an improved sense of well-being, so it stops them having these negative thoughts as they feel healthier and fitter. And especially with cardiovascular exercises, these can help the disabled people to manage their weight, and also with more and more gyms these days having equipment such as hand bikes, this makes the cardiovascular fitness and normal fitness centres become more accessible to disabled people, which is really important. So another group we're going to look at is older people. So this is in that age group from 50 plus. And exercise can also help to slow down the aging process, because by doing this regular exercise you can still have the capabilities physiologically of a younger person. So you could still have a really good resting heart rate or recovery time because you've had really good fitness levels throughout your life and you've kept active. Regular exercise also lowers the risk of chronic diseases and stroke. So, for example, you're less likely to have heart problems and lung problems if you're fit than if you're having a more sedentary lifestyle. And exercise also helps to maintain bone strength and, most importantly, a healthy weight to prevent obesity. The final group we're going to look at is children and adolescents. So it's really important that these people do exercise because it helps to develop strong muscles and bones, which becomes important in later life so they don't develop things like arthritis or joint pains as they're growing up. Improved muscle tone is also something which happens when they exercise, because it helps them to notice when they look at themselves in the mirror their own body image, and if they can see that they're fit and they're strong, it can help to improve their self-esteem, which is really important during that adolescent period. And competing in regular exercise helps to decrease symptoms associated with stress and anxiety, as it releases endorphins, which is really, really positive for these people. And it's important because by children doing exercise, it means they're more likely to keep these habits as they go into later life of getting up in the morning and doing some exercise and realising how important it is for a healthy lifestyle. We hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to keep up to date with our latest tutorials.